So welcome back to my channel. Stephanie Nadia here. For those of you who are here for the first time, a fun fact about me is I recently went to Nashville for the first time in, October? Yes, October, for my brother-in-law's wedding, and I did a whole vlog and everything, so you can actually see the vlog here on the channel. I will link it down below, or you can go surfing through my channel videos. But today we've got another try-on haul. Today I am trying out Rebdolls. It's my first time trying anything from them, and I'm really excited to see what they're like. And they have sizes from 0 to 32, so they're size inclusive, and they are black owned, I believe. So yeah, they sent over a couple pieces. Let's go try these out and see what we think. Okay, so the first two items we have on is this cute turtleneck crop top with a, what do you call this? It's a tie sides, and like when it, scrunches it up, cinches it in, and we've got this chocolatey dark brown jogger on. So here is the crop top. Super cute. This is a 3X, and the top fits perfectly fine. We've got our ties on the side, cinch it up, ruche it up a little bit more on the sides. It fits me here comfortably, right around the bust, around the neck. It fits comfortably. I always notice that like whenever I get like a plus size turtleneck top, I feel like the shirt fits perfectly, but then the turtleneck is a little bit too big. I guess because they make the neck hole bigger, assuming that my neck is gonna be bigger too, but this fits perfectly. And it snugs my shape really lovely. And then we got the joggers down below. These are a 4X. I wanted them to fit more loose, so I sized up. Well, this fits kind of like perfectly when you think about it. So I'm feeling like the 4X here is true to size for me. So that means I think that they run a little bit smaller, because normally a 3X would fit me this way. And this is their 4X. What I do love is, and if you've noticed and if you've watched any of my try-on hauls, is that I'm very particular with my ankles and like how pants fit and hug my ankles. And a lot of the time skinny jeans or even joggers are never tight enough around my ankles because they are made bigger. They tend to just get bigger at the ankle as well. But this is hugging my ankles and my calf area perfectly. These are fitting exactly the way I would want my joggers to fit. So they're perfectly made for my body type. So if you're looking for a cute pair of perfectly fitting joggers, especially if you're an apple shape like me, definitely check out Rebdolls. The pockets are here. They are kind of like low instead of being high up, but I feel like the way that they're cut and designed, it's really pretty. It makes the joggers look really cool, but know that you gotta go digging a little deep to get into your pockets. But other than that, these are really cool. I could see myself wearing this at home or dressing it up, dressing it down, definitely traveling with it. It's perfect gear for traveling and flights. But yeah, these are cute. So let's try out some of the other pieces I sent over. All right, we've got our next piece here, and this is their turtleneck crop top. It's a perfect basic to have in your wardrobe, especially for the fall. There's so many different ways people are styling these pieces nowadays, and so I definitely recommend grabbing one. And there was a plethora of information out there on how to style this, but this is such a cute piece. It's a cute basic, and especially for a plus size woman, finding the right fit is key. And for me, this fit is doing it, especially because like I said before, I like to make sure that my turtleneck areas are not like stretched out or like saggy kind of looking, because everything else is sized up a little bit more. The neck holes tend to be a little bit bigger, but for me, I need a more snug fitting around the neck. So this does it for me. The cut is perfect for me too. Obviously, I would be wearing a different bra for this, but overall really cute. It's not a short crop top. It comes right about, I would say about 4 inches above the belly button for me. But a perfect and cute piece for the fall to layer with, and even in the winter. So no complaints here. I love that I have this. I have been looking for a piece like this for quite some time that fits like this. So thank you, Rebdolls. Okay, we have one more piece left, so let's get to it. Okay, this last piece I am absolutely in love with. It's so cute. Okay, first of all, it looks like a two-piece, but it's a one-piece, and it's all gold connected by this one button. So we've got this crop top, and then we've got this maxi skirt in the bottom. We've got these beautiful little cute button details, right, with the accent right here connecting this piece. Super cute. I think this is adorable. What do you guys think? Okay, I absolutely love this set. I think this is gonna be a favorite set for fall for me, especially, so expect that I'm gonna be wearing it out a lot and you're gonna see it a lot. Again, the fit is perfect. Like, one of my issues with plus size fashion is that I find that because of my body shape, I need to wear a certain size so that it fits comfortably around my waist. But then when I get that size, it's always looser and too baggy around my limbs, my ankles, my wrists, my neck. So being an apple shape, it's kind of hard to even shop within the plus size section and plus size fashion industry in general. And right now, Rebdolls is winning because this is my first time ever trying them, and every single piece fits perfectly, comfortably, and snug in the areas I want it to be snug in, loose in the areas I want it to be loose in. So I am really impressed. Rebdolls, thank you so much for sending this over. I'm excited to try more of your pieces out and go shopping because I don't think that I've had a brand that fits so perfectly in all my nooks and my crannies for my body type. So if you guys are looking for a good plus size brand that's black owned and that fits apple body shapes really well, definitely check them out because I am loving these pieces. I'm loving the fit and I need to get some more. Oh, and I also have to mention, like, this is the perfect length for me. Again, I feel like it's always so hard because my body type, being in a plus size, specific shape, and then my height. I'm 5'4". So all this is like the perfect fit for me. Like, I wouldn't have to alter this piece or change anything about it. It fits perfectly around my waist, around my bust, around my hips, around my midsection, around my arms. Like, no loose baggy sleeves here. It's perfectly fit while still being perfectly comfortable. And I feel like that was the case for every single piece I just tried out. So again, I am super impressed. So that's pretty much it for this try on haul, this first impressions of a first time brand for me. If you guys want to see me try out different brands that I've never tried before or try something else that you want to try out but you don't want to take the risk, let me know. I will dive in for you guys and test out brands and see how they do and we can discover that together. But that's all for me, folks. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And remember that you're absolutely beautiful. And until next time, bye. That was a lot of ands.